back to Juice Shop. We are at Scoreboard, and in this video we are going to check confidential document vulnerability. And it says a confidential document, assess a confidential document, and the category is sensitive data exposure. Go to the burger icon up here and click on About Us. You can find not so interesting text out here apart from this green color link. Click on the link. Now let's get into our burp suit and see if there's anything interesting. And here is ftp.legal.md. Send this file to repeater by right-clicking on it. Now switch over to repeater tab and delete this legal.md from this request section. Now switch over to response section in this repeater tab and search for legal file. Now this acquisition word attracts. Copy this and paste it in the request section. Now it's time to resend the request to Juice Shop, and here you can see that you have successfully solved a challenge. Alright folks, thanks for watching. See you next time.